BabyBum Cream Brush, Blue Full Size Plus Green by BabyBum Brush is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. The original BabyBum diaper cream brush is safe and toxic-free for your little one's safety. Keep your fingers clean from diaper cream, and gently spread ointment with this soft and flexible BabyBum brush. Easy to clean with a wipe. The mini includes a travel case. Ointment goes on smoother, thicker, and faster. You'll never want to apply diaper cream with your fingers again. Trademarked and patented, safe and toxin-free. California Prop 65 compliant. Soft and flexible silicone is gentle on baby's skin. Mini includes travel case. Diaper cream goes on smoother, thicker and faster. Suction cup base allows you to suction to almost any surface while you finish the diaper change. Easily cleans with just one wipe. Patented.